Today we are going to discuss remaining question of exercise 3.3. The first question is the question number 6, because last 5 questions we discussed yesterday. So next question is evaluate root under 5 up to 2 up to place of up to 2 place of decimal. Okay, up to 3 digits. Okay, so it will be like this: 2 2s are 4. After subtracting 4 from 5, you will get 1. Then it will be 2 plus 2 become 4, and these 2 is moved to the shift to the downward, and for this decimal the decimal will be going to place here. Then it will be 2 times 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. After subtracting that one, you will get 6, and this become 1, and finally these two 0. So after adding these two, 2 and 2 become 4, and this 4. So it become thrice, 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, carried 1, 3 4s are 12, and that carried 1 become 13. So after subtracting that one, you will get, or we get the value of 2 place of decimal. Okay, so if you require, you can subtract that one. It become 10, 10 minus 9 become 1, and this is 9, 9 minus 2 become 7, and this is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so finally you can write that like that. So root under 5 is equal to 2.23. This is answer, because they are written find the answer up to 2 place. Find the answer up to 2 place. We get that one 2.23. Okay, so now the next question is question number 7 is evaluate root under 0.16 up to 3 place of decimal. So as you know that one, 16 is up.
Sir.
Yes, बोलो.
सर
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
नेटवर्क नहीं पकड़ रहा, समझ नहीं, नेटवर्क नहीं पकड़ रहा,
वीडियो दिख रहा है?
समझ नहीं, कट कट के आ रहा बात सर, समझ नहीं आ रहा, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं दिख रहा.
थोड़ा साउंड ऑफ करो. क्वेश्चन तो ठीक ठाक दिख रहा होगा, पहले साउंड ऑफ करो, इसीलिए आवाज कट कट के सुनाई पड़ रहा है.
कट कट के आ रहा, सुनाई नहीं दे.
अच्छा, अपना स्पीकर ऑफ करो. किसको सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा है?
जाके वहां नेटवर्क में चलेगा ना।
चलो
तो जाओ तुम लोग। ठीक है चलो।
ठीक है क्वेश्चन। हाँ
सर
हाँ बोलो।
कट कट के आवाज आ रहा।
तो कट के आवाज आ रहा है तो जहाँ नेटवर्क ठीक है वहां जाओगे तब ना। जहाँ नेटवर्क ठीक है वहां जाओ।
सर कट कट के आ
अरे वहां प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हारे यहाँ नेटवर्क कम होगा।
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा। नहीं दिखाई दे रहा।
ठीक है पहले अपने स्पीकर ऑफ करो।
कौन ला तुम लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। ठीक है पहले हाँ हाँ।
ओके
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। हु इज देयर? सौरभ।
सर आई एम सौरभ।
हाँ ओके
सर
ठीक है। देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज,
सर आई हैव प्रॉब्लम।
क्या हुआ? क्या प्रॉब्लम?
Sir, I don't have the old book of classes. I have the new book.
यस व्हाट हैपेंड? बोलो सौरभ। सौरभ क्वेश्चन इज इवेल्युएट 0.16 up to 3 place of decimal. Although you are knowing that 16 means 0.16 or sorry 16 is a perfect square. So if you going to solve that question in the term of perfect square, it is like this: 0.16 to make the pair of digit, because they are required to get the 3 places, so we have to make the 3 pair of digits. For making 3 pair of digit, we have to write 2 pairs of false 0 like this. Is it? And this one is 16. So if you divide that one, if you want to get the square root of it, it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0 is a 0. And for this decimal, it will be decimal. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And 4 4 ja 16. Okay, so after subtracting that one, it will be 0. This 2 0 is shift here, and this becomes 0. So remaining value is not going to subtract anything, divide anything. So rest of value is 0.400. So root under 0.16 is equal to 0.4, because they are written 3 places. Everything is finished here, nothing remain to divide. So we have to place false 20 to make it 3 places of decimal. So this is answer of. Okay. The next question is, question number 7. Find the value of 70225 and then evaluate root under 702.25 plus 7.0225. Okay, so in that cases we have to get the square root of 70225 means 70,225. It's a perfect square. So first of all we have to solve that one, or we have to get the square root of that one by using long division method. okay, as 70225 is the number. So from right, make group of 2 digits, and this 7 remain alone. Okay, so this become so this become 2 2 ja. So this become 2 2 ja 4 minus. So it become 3 0 2. If we add these two plus 2 become 4. So we have to get the number nearer to it become, which is 6. Then 6 ja 36, carried 3, 6 4 ja 24 plus 3 become 27. Okay, so it will be 12 minus 6 become 6, and this become 9 minus 7 become 2, then 2 and 5. It's okay. 70225 is equal to 265. Okay, as so root under 702.25. There are 2 digits after decimal. It means their square root in its square root 1 digit after decimal. So it will be like 26.5 and 707.0225. There are 4 digits after decimal. So in the form of a square root. So they are a square root. So it's a square root of this number. There are 2 digits after decimal. So it becomes 265. Okay. So finally we get the answer by, you can write like this. So root under 1702.25 plus root under 7.0225 is equal to 26.5 plus 2.65 is equal to 5. 5 plus 6. This is 5 means 50. So 5 plus 0 plus 5 become 5. 6 plus 5 become 11. And 1 is going to be carried. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, and this 2. So it becomes the answer. Okay. So write this one also. Next question is, question number 9 is, simplify root under 0.2116 plus 0.1764 by 0.2116 minus 0.1764. Okay. So first of all we have to get the square root of this number, which is 0.2116. is equal to 0. By making the group of 2, 21 will be written here. So this one is 4 4 ja 16. So after subtracting that, we will get 5, 1 and 6. This become 4 plus 4 become 8. And finally the number is 6. Then 6 6 ja 36, carried 3, 8 6 ja 48 plus 3 51. So it become 0 0 0. Okay. And finally, so this is 0.46 and next one is 0.1764. This one is 0. So this pair of 17 will return here, then 0, then 4 4 ja 16. After subtracting it, you will get 1 and 6 4. 4 plus 4 8. The next number is 2, which is 2 2 ja 4 and 6 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. So you will get 0 0 0. Means the next one is 0.42. Okay. The next one is, so we have get the value of this one is 0.46 plus this one is 0.42 by 0.46 minus 0.42. Okay. After adding this, 6 plus 2, 8, 8, 4 plus 4, 8.0 by, after subtracting that, you will get 4, 4 minus 4, 0.0. So, if you cancel this decimal, it becomes 88 by 100 into 4 into 100. You can cancel these two. You will get like this. So, it becomes what? 22. Okay.